Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install ActivePresenter for your PC. So let's go and see how to do it. So go to your browser. I have Chrome, so you go to Chrome browser and search here ActivePresenter. Open this website.com. atomisystem.com. Okay, this website, open this website. Yes, ActivePresenter download the world class authoring tool for e-learning design. Okay, this is available for both operating system, ActivePresenter for Windows and also available for your Mac. So Windows operating system support Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 64-bit. Okay, remember the 64-bit only. Release latest version is 9.0.4 and release date is 25 of November 2022. So we will learn about ActivePresenter. We will see the release notes here, release notes of ActivePresenter. So these are the release notes. 9.0.4 is the 9.0.4 is the latest one, and 9.0.3 to 1 9000856 and so on. These are the older ActivePresenter release notes. If you want to download older version, you can see all the release history here and download your setup here. So these are the release notes of ActivePresenter. Okay, so ActivePresenter last version 8.5.8, its release date 28th of July 2022. So license terms, system requirement for ActivePresenter. We will see the system requirement for ActivePresenter is environment Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 11. Okay, remember 64-bit of Windows. Mac operating system is 10.15, Mac OS 11. Hardware system requirement, software requirement. These are the requirement for your setup. Okay, notes. There is only one setup package which will serve both free and paid edition. So these are the notes for system ActivePresenter for your PC. Okay, so we will download ActivePresenter for our PC. If we have Mac, so we will download from here, and if we have Windows, we will download from here. We will download for my PC here. So ActivePresenter has started to be downloaded, and that is 72.2 MB of setup. It will download in few minutes. So this is the procedure how to download, and after this download you will download extract file and run as administrator and install full setup. So guys, in this way you can also download and install full version of free version of ActivePresenter for your PC or Mac. So in this way, thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.